Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Williamson County, northwestern Caldwell County, central Hayes County, Travis County, west central Bastrop County, central Burnett County, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Liberty Hill to near Euland, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock, San Marcos, Park, Yorktown, Winterville, Kyle, Lockhart, Judah, Wimberley, Dripping Springs, Bertram,
so
Tanglewood
yeah,
Forest,
I've seen that one
Saranita,
many times.
Austin Bergstrom International Airport, Anderson Mills,
And that was
Whittier,
just
the
8 days after
Lakeway,
Poppy
and Lava
died.
Vista. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage.
That's what all of them are saying.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. This is NOAA.